How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. When the narcissist's eyes turn black, what do you think happens? That's the title of this video. Narcissists are selfish, self-absorbed, self-centered, egocentric, egotistic individuals. It's all about me, with the narcissist. They lack empathy, they are very arrogant, and they excessively talk about their achievements. They exaggerate those achievements, and they want to be always on the limelight. They want everything centered around them. The narcissist will hurt you, will cause pain in your life, they'll control you, they'll manipulate you, they'll punish you. The narcissist, they gain narcissistic supply through making you cry, making you have a hard time. Now, if you're dealing with this kind of a monster in your life, and you see the eyes turning black, what does it mean? So this notion that a narcissist's eyes turn black is more of a metaphorical or symbolic interpretation rather than a physiological phenomenon. So when people say a narcissist's eyes turn black, what they mean is that the narcissist's demeanor changes. The narcissist becomes cold, distant, or devoid of empathy. Remember, narcissists lack empathy. So this perception of narcissist's eyes turning black comes from observing the lack of genuine emotion or connection in the narcissist's gaze, in the narcissist's eyes, in the narcissist's stare. The narcissist's eyes will appear dark, empty. So generally, in reality, a person's eye color does not change based on their psychological state. Eye color is determined by genetics and does not fluctuate due to personality traits or emotional states like narcissism. So when people talk about narcissists having black eyes, it is more about the psychological impact they perceive rather than a change in eye color. So this idea that narcissists' eyes physically turn black, we can say it's a myth, but it is true that the eyes can appear darker, and certain circumstances may make the eyes darker due to dilation or lighting. So anyway, let's go straight to the reasons why the narcissist's eyes turn black, why they darken. Number one, it's because of intense emotions. Narcissists display intense emotions, which can give the impression of their eyes darkening. Narcissists, again, they use eye contact as a tool for manipulation. And this can seem unnerving and give the impression of darkness, blackness. Narcissists will manipulate you through their eyes. They stare at you and you see darkness, you see hell, you see you're done. You don't see light in those eyes. You see only darkness, pain, hatred. Now, the other reason why the narcissist's eyes turn black is because of lack of empathy. The narcissist's lack of empathy can make their gaze feel so cold and devoid of emotion, possibly giving the illusion of darkness. The other reason why the narcissist's eyes turn black is, we call it projection. You know, people project their negative perceptions onto the narcissist. So when you see darkness where there might not be any physically, it is just projection. You feel so dark in this life with this narcissist. When you look at them, you just see their eyes as dark. You see black eyes. Because your life with that narcissist is just black. Now, the other reason why the narcissist's eyes will be black is due to power dynamics. In certain situations, the power dynamics play might make the narcissist appear more menacing. And this contributes to the perception of dark eyes. When you interact with a narcissist, it can have a profound psychological impact. And this leads you to perceive them differently, including their eyes. Because the narcissist, a relationship with the narcissist is so painful, it's so unhappy, you're so stressed. You feel darkness in that life with that narcissist. So psychologically, you look at the narcissist's eyes and you see black, you see dark. There's no happiness there. The other thing is fear response. When you are in fear, when you are under stress, the eyes can dilate and make the iris appear darker, which might be associated with interactions with narcissists. So, the other thing about narcissists' eyes turning black is because narcissists, they often violate personal boundaries, and their intense contact can feel invasive, and it contributes to a perception of darkness. The other thing is about dominance. Narcissists want to dominate everything about you. They want to control you. They want to control how you talk, how you dress, what you eat, what you wear, how you do everything, even how you eat. Now, these narcissists, their eyes will be so dark, deep, intense, intimidating, and very black because of that situation. Now, the other thing is psychological projection. People tend to project their own fears, their own insecurities onto others. So you'll find yourself projecting the darkness in your heart because of being in that relationship with that narcissist onto the narcissist. So you'll see the narcissist's eyes, you'll perceive them as black because of the kind of torture you're going through with that narcissist. Again, the facial expressions of a narcissist is full of contempt, disdain. They look down upon you. That can make the narcissist's eyes appear darker or more intense. Again, the narcissist's eyes will be dark because there's this presence of threat. There's this sense of threat, of danger, influencing how the narcissist's eyes are perceived. Again, the passive negative experience with narcissists might condition you to perceive their eyes as dark or menacing. People who have experienced trauma or abuse will always be hypervigilant, leading them to perceive threats where there are none, including a narcissist's eyes. You'll always think they're black because you're hypervigilant. The other thing about narcissist's eyes being black, it's because black darkness represents evil sometimes. It influences how narcissist's eyes are perceived. The other thing about narcissist's eyes turning black is due to the subconscious associations between your facial features or expressions and negative traits. It influences how people perceive the narcissist's eyes. Again, the narcissist's body language is they exhibit certain patterns which can affect how their eyes are perceived by others. In manipulative interactions, narcissists might use their gaze as a form of psychological warfare, contributing to the perception of darkness. So, the narcissist's eyes being black is due to that interaction with them. It is emotionally draining. It can affect how their eyes are perceived. That emotional draining from the narcissist makes them appear darker or more lifeless. And finally, the dark eyes of a narcissist are associated with villainous or malevolent characters. It leads to a symbolic interpretation when encountering narcissists. Now you know why the narcissist eyes turn dark. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video widely to all those who may need it. Thank you. Subscribe.